How to save your video as MP4 in CapCut. So let's assume you have edited your video is final and done to export. Just click on export on the right hand side corner. Name your video. I'll just name my video. Yeah. Then you can come here. This is resolution. You can select any resolution you want. I have selected 1080p because that gives me a better quality. Then bitrate you can select higher or lower. I selected recommended, and this doesn't matter, the color code doesn't matter, so skip this, don't touch this. And here is the main thing, the format. Here is, there are two options, MOV and MP4. Always select MP4. And FPS you can select as per your video size. I have selected 30 FPS. And if you tick this audio, then you can export as well MP3, but I don't select this, I just select MP4. So the important is like MP4, and just select export. Here you can see the format size is MP4. Now let's just wait to export. And yeah, how your video is exported as MP4 in CapCut.